Hey, what's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? I know this is a little weird here because I'm actually done editing the video already, but this is my first time like filming with the GoPro inside of stores. I want you guys to let me know if you like it or not. I kind of like my old style better. Like, yeah, I don't know. Just let me know if you like the GoPro footage in the thrift stores. I could get a little bit better at it, but I think my phone does a better quality. So let me know what you would prefer to watch. I know I have like 200 like loyal subscribers that watch every video, so I'm kind of just talking to you guys, the ones who have watched a lot of my previous teacher turned thrifter series. What kind of video should I proceed with? I think the older style, but let me know what you think about this one. Also, in this video, 9 thrift stores in Iowa. I spent a total, this is at the end of the video, I'm already done, but I spent a total of $130 exactly on 33 items. Which is really good. There's Louis, the absolute beast. There's my little toesies. With that being said, here is the video. Well, the first store wasn't terrible. I mean, there really wasn't much in there to look at, but I got one really cool shirt here. Los Angeles Lakers on the old Nike team with the center swoosh. So that's pretty cool. It does have someone's name, Sammy's camera on the back, and then the 2009 champion from Adidas. But these were only $1/4 a piece, so we're off. We're off to a start today. That's store number 1. Let's head over to store number 2. All right, inside store numero dos. This is like my 3rd Biter-Lac blanket in a month. These old blankets do pretty well. They have cool prints on them. And then this. Be on the lookout for that logo. Can you pronounce it? Into store 3, here we go. The last store, I found a couple goodies. The blanket and the bag together is like 80 bucks. So we'll see about this one, this store as well. Check this out, Nautica. This thing is beastie, but it's $13. So drop that. Cop or drop? Cop or drop? That's all. That's all that's in store 3 right there. That's it. Nothing else in this whole store. What a bummer. All right, maybe I complained a little too early about that store not having anything. I ended up being able to diversify when I went in there. I got some games and such. I got this Star Wars puzzle. Pretty cool. You know, if it doesn't sell, then I will just do the puzzle. But it was only $3.09. I got a little Star Wars figurine for $4. I think it's only worth like $12, but it was too cool to leave behind. Same thing with this Bubba. This is like a vintage plush, the Bubba Bear. It has like a voice pack in the back of it. I think it sells for like 20 bucks, and I paid $3 for that. And then this is a scribble game. It's brand new for $4. I think this also only sells for like 20 to 25, but it's good to diversify, and I think it'll sell quick because it's still brand new. So that's good. And then that t-shirt that you guys saw is the only piece of clothing that I picked up. All right, off to store number 4. Let's go. Here we go. This store is always empty, but I always manage to come out with something. Let's see if we can keep this mojo going today. Dang. Alan Edmonds? All right, into store. Shoot, what is this? 6, I think. Okay, I didn't film in that store because it was busy. But quickly here, I paid $6 for everything in that store, which is complete robbery. I don't know what kind of deal they had going on, but I got a Disney Tarzan plush. This is a vintage Dockin. So I've had some pretty good luck with some of the old Dockin stuff, and I think the dinosaurs do pretty well. I got a Masters polo. The last Masters polo that I picked up sold immediately for $30. This one is a little bit older, not as nice. I think that one's like a quick $20. And then a 2006 Sublime t-shirt, pretty cool. I don't know on that. The vintage Sublime shirts do very well. And then some Alan Edmonds shoes. Pretty worn and torn on the bottom, but Alan Edmonds shoes sell like in any condition. So that turned in to be a good sign. We're having some luck today, which is awesome to see. It's hot in this car, so I need to get the AC kicking, and we are off now to store 7 or 8. Yeah, I don't know. Here we go. So I have this corner to myself. I actually found some things in this store. Orange tab Levi's, always nice. And then 2 Carhartts. These things are wild. Absolutely nutty. Can't even barely see this one. It's camouflaged into the wall. And then you got the double knees. 100 years, baby. All right, guys, just for a second here, you're gonna have to handle the fan blowing on you. I'm absolutely crushing it, and to think that I wasn't gonna go thrifting today. But I just came out of the store with 2 Carhartt overalls. You just saw those. This is the 7th store we've been in, and I have picked something up from every store, which was really tough because at store 6, they had nothing. But I wasn't gonna leave empty-handed. I really went out of my way to find something I could profit on. I paid $3 for these books at the last store. And this one, you know, people, it's trendy now to get a van and fix it up and travel across the US. So I figured people might like need a manual. So I got 2 car manuals. This one's for a van. This one sells for like $14, maybe. This one also sells for like 12, 10 bucks. But I couldn't leave there empty-handed. That was my goal, to not leave any store today empty-handed. But then you saw the orange tab Levi's. The only thing from this store that you didn't see were these Reebok combat boots. Did you guys know about these Reebok combat boots? I never knew about these till I just looked them up in the store. They sell for like 70 bucks. I think I paid $8 for my pair right here. So $8 into 70. And I think we have 2 more stores to go to, guys. $5 Nike swimsuit, vintage, white tag, pink swoosh. Add it to the mix. Holy smokes. All right, guys, we are done. That's gonna do it today. I just thrifted for 5 hours. I went to 9 stores. In the last store, I got this polo. I almost didn't find anything. That construction is very loud. I almost didn't find anything, but I had to pick something up. This is $3. It sells for like 20 to 25. I just wanted to find something in there so I could say I went 9 for 9 in the thrift stores, baby. You guys just saw 9 thrift stores in Iowa, and we crushed it today. The back seat is filled to the brim. That's gonna do it. I'm tired. I need to eat, and then I need to head home and get all of this stuff listed. Thanks for watching, as always, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.